In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. To get started, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see a menu with various options. Find the Sales tab and click on it. Under the Sales section, you'll notice a tab labeled Products and Services. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll be presented with a list of all the products and services you've added so far. It's essentially your inventory at a glance. Once you're on the Products and Services page, you have the flexibility to manage your inventory. You can add new items, delete existing ones, or edit the details of your current stock. This inventory list is central to how QuickBooks helps you manage and track your sales and stock levels seamlessly. So, whether you need to reorganize or update, this is the place to do so. To add a new product or service, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should choose whether you want to add a product or a service. Depending on your choice, you'll be prompted to fill in more details. For a product, you might provide information about stock levels, pricing, categories, and more. For a service, you'll enter details specific to the nature of the service, such as the rate per hour or per task. Remember, the more accurate and detailed you are, the easier it will be to manage and track your items. Editing your existing products or services is just as straightforward. Simply locate the item you wish to change in your list and click the Edit button next to it. A window will pop up allowing you to amend any details necessary. This feature is particularly useful when prices change or when you update stock quantities. Once you've updated your list in QuickBooks, the changes will automatically reflect whenever you're creating invoices. This means that each time you make an invoice for a customer, you'll have the most up-to-date products and services ready to select from your list, ensuring that your billing process is as efficient and accurate as possible. And there you have it. That's how you create and manage inventory products in QuickBooks Online. Keep this guide handy whenever you need to update your stock or add new services, and you'll find that maintaining your records is both simple and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.